In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a channel in Zoom. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace or wrapped up a project and no longer need a dedicated chat space, deleting a channel can help keep your team chat organized. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to Zoom and that you have the right permissions. Typically, only the channel owner or an admin can delete a channel. If you don't see the option, you may need to ask someone with higher permissions to handle it. Let's begin by opening Zoom and heading to Team Chat. You'll find Team Chat in the main navigation, usually along the left side of the desktop app or in the web interface. When you click Team Chat, you'll see your list of channels and direct messages. Take a second to verify you're looking at the correct channel, especially if you have several with similar names. A quick search in the channel list can help you find it faster. Once you've located the channel you want to remove, move your cursor over its name to reveal the context menu. Click the three dots, often called the More or Overflow menu, next to the channel name. This menu is where Zoom keeps additional controls for each channel. It's a good place to double-check that you're working on the right space, because the actions here apply to that specific channel. From the menu that appears, click More Actions. Depending on your Zoom version and your permissions, some options may be visible right away or grouped under this More Actions area. If you don't see More Actions, try expanding the window or ensuring you're hovering over the correct channel in the list, not a direct message. Now, click Delete Channel. Zoom will typically ask you to confirm this choice, since deleting a channel is permanent. Read the confirmation carefully. Deleting a channel removes the chat space and its message history for everyone who had access to it, and this action can't be undone. If there's any information you might need later, like shared files or key decisions, make sure they're saved elsewhere before you proceed. When you're certain, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the channel disappears from your list, and members will no longer see it in theirs. This change only affects the chat channel. It won't alter your meeting's calendar or other Zoom features. If you expected to see Delete Channel but didn't, you likely need owner or admin rights. Or you may be in a type of channel that restricts deletion. That's it. Your Zoom workspace is now a little cleaner and easier to navigate.